her saying all those names?
Okay, come here.
Here, can I pick her? Because that'd be so cute. Okay.
Haley.
Okay, I'll just say the names and then she'll repeat. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me what you're in.
I'm already recording.
Haley, can you say Monica?
Monica.
Can you say Jackie?
Jackie.
Can you say Roxanne?
Western.
Can you say Patrick?
Package.
Can you say Scott?
Cat.
Can you say Sean?
Shiny.
Can you say Shane?
King.
Can you say Amy?
Amy.
Can you say Ricky?
Mickey.
Can you say...
Angie? Fine,
Can
deny
you say
me.
Beatrice?
Don't kick me.
Can you say Beatrice?
Say Beatrice.
Kick Roxanne. Can you say
Haley, say Beatrice.
Can you say Lucas?
Lucas.
Can you say Beatrice?
Mrs.
Can you say banana?
Banana.
Can you say... Can you say... what color?
Blue.
What is the other color?
Blue.
What's this color? What's this color? Kick Roxanne.
My boobs are in the way. Okay, say goodbye, Haley.
Oh, wait, what's your name? Monkey?
Your name's Monkey?
Monkey.
What's your name?
Mommy.
What's this name? What's this name?
Blue.
No, what's your name?
Blue.
No, your name's Haley. Can you say Haley?
Baby.
Haley.
Baby.
Baby.
Say Haley.
Haley, say goodbye.
Goodbye.